Hi, my name is Barry. I'm the Managing Director of Manfred Sauer UK. This is a brief overview of some of our products and some advice about how to fit them. It's done on a webcam, so please excuse the quality. Right, let's get started. Manfred Sauer sheaths are available in 11 sizes. It's vitally important that you measure yourself correctly so you get a sure, secure, comfortable fit. The measuring procedure is easy enough. It's you remove the sheath measuring tape from the card, fold it on itself through the little slit at the end. I'm going to use my thumb here to show you the measuring procedure and also show you how to actually apply the sheath. Around the centre of the shaft of the penis you measure and you pull the tape firmly and read off the measurement as it goes through the slit, which in this case is 24 millimeters. That would be my Manfred Sauer sheath size. If it's halfway between 24 and 26, then I might be a 24 millimeter sheath or a 26 millimeter sheath user, in which case it would probably benefit me from trying samples of both and finding out which one is the securest and the most comfortable. Manfred Sauer self-adhesive sheaths. Right, the adhesive procedure, again, it's optional, but you can use the protective cloth to keep the pubic hair out of the way. With all Manfred Sauer sheaths, you need to unroll the sheath 3 times before applying to the tip of the penis. This is very important, so that's 1, 2, 3. And this is so that the adhesive area is in the correct place, which would be in the middle of the shaft of the penis. Now when you're applying a sheath, if you can actually use your fingers to just put a bit of tension on the end as you roll it down, it will roll on much easier. So you see how I'm doing that? A little bit of tension there and rolling it down. And that's the procedure for applying the sheath. You can see the sheath's very flexible, which allows for movement, whether it's someone walking or transferring. And one tip is to actually use the warmth of your hand after you've rolled the sheath on to actually set the adhesive off, perhaps for about 15 seconds, just to hold it like that. You can then remove the the protective cloth, and you can see that that is a very secure connection. Leg back straps. We have 2 sorts of leg back straps. We have a thick, wide strap for securing the bag at the top, and a narrower one just to make sure that the bottom of the bag doesn't flap around. It also helps if the bottom's secured to actually while you're draining the bag when it's on the leg. Now the wide strap has 2 smaller tabs on it to keep the leg bag with some separation so it doesn't actually bunch up, and I'll show you how that is actually fitted to a bendy bag, which is this 1300ml bag specifically for wheelchair users. Basically, using the top of the wide strap, the small tab goes through any one of these 3 eyelets. I would always start with the middle eyelet. As so. And then on the underside of the bag there's 2 other eyelets. I'd use the bottom one of them to start with, but you do have the option of using these different eyelets depending on how you're going to wear the bag and how it sits on your leg. And you can see there's a this bag actually bends around the wearer's knee, so you can see the angle of how that's going to go, and that would be for the inside left leg or outside right leg. You wrap it around the leg, and that's how you do the top strap. The bottom strap, 2 eyelets at the bottom. You basically thread it through and behind the bag. And again, that wraps around the leg. Now if there's too long a strap, you can always shorten it with a pair of scissors. But I put it on your leg first just to make sure that you've got the right size, you don't shorten it too much. Right, having put the straps on the bag, we fit it to the leg. This is the bag specifically for wheelchair users. This is the 1.3 litre version. You can see the way that the bag bends. This is to go round the bend of the knee, and the straps on this, the way that I've strapped this one up is for the inside of the left leg or the outside of the right leg. It's possible to put the straps on the other way, so it goes on the inside of the right leg or outside of the left. So basically open the strap, thread it just behind the knee on the thigh and secured at the top. You want the inlet tube directly running down the inside of your thigh, and for the bottom strap doesn't need to be tight because it's basically just holding it in the bag in place and stopping it flapping around. There we go. Let's make sure everything's, and there you have it.